Hello everyone, welcome to Batman Strategy with weekly adjustments, day 14 and 15 combined. My sincere apologies, I was busy with certain personal commitments as well as there was a technical goof up that I did. I did the adjustments for 13th, 14th a day, that is Friday, and incidentally my system, I was like clearing some spaces and then I accidentally deleted one of the update files, which erased all my recordings for the day. And I was not sure what to do because I have already made certain changes to the strategy. At the same time, I cannot go back and then delete that. So I was a bit confused of what to do. Then I thought, let me show whatever I have done for Friday. And today I have not done any adjustments. That is Monday, July 1st. I have not done any adjustments because I was absolutely clueless what to do. How do I continue this series? And then it is going to add more confusion if I delete some of it and then show something. It's going to mess up. So, uh, whatever it is, I didn't do any updates for today. Instead, what I am going to do is I am going to walk through what I did as an adjustment for Friday, and possibly what I will be doing tomorrow. That also I will cover today. And let's get started. I am going to show the positions. Here we are in Upstra, and I'm going to this paper trade. You see that the positions are in a loss of about 2,800 rupees on the Batman strategy, base strategy, and almost like 9.5k, 10k, we are in a loss. That's because I didn't do any adjustments for today. I wanted to really have some continuity. For that reasons, I didn't do any adjustments. But nevertheless, it's pretty easy to make adjustments for these positions. We still have got about 24 days left, and there is a lot can be done in this to bring this into profit zone. First of all, I will walk you through what I have done as an adjustment for Friday. Uh, Here we are. This is the Batman strategy position that we had, and how it looked. What I did was I have added this 23,800 PE. One lot I have added. Okay, and I have closed this leg of 22,650, two lots. If you remember the base position, we have bought one lot of 23,300 and one lot of 23,300 call and put, for which we have done double the writings. And this position on that day was trading at 51 rupees. If you see, I exited this at 51 rupees, right? Today it has fallen much lower, and I am not going to do anything for this. This is, let it be for as on Friday. This was the update. So I closed this leg and I wrote instead one lot of 23,850. What was the logic? Let me explain that quickly. See, this is the base position. This four legs, first four legs are the base position, and when this premium has reached almost like 9k and 51 rupees it is trading at, waiting for another 25 days for 50 rupees doesn't make any sense. Instead, I wanted to close this leg for 51 rupees and free up the cash and margin. And I'm not going to write two lots. Instead, I am writing only one lot of very high premium, like 250 rupees. Instead of 51, I am writing 250 rupees strike. So even if the market crashes, no problem, because this is only one lot that's going to appreciate, but the call writings are super inflated and they will be giving a lot of profits back. That was the adjustments done. Plus, other thing that I had failed to cover because the video got corrupted was last week we had this expiry, and all the weekly edges were closed and fresh weekly edges were added. About 8 rupees, there was no change about that. So I'm going to show you that as well. Let's go to this Batman strategy with weekly edges. Here, if you look at it, It's going to be pretty messy because there are so many strikes added. Uh, how can I keep track of all these things? It's physically impossible. Mentally, it's impossible. Don't worry. See, these are weekly edges. As it gets closed, it will not be showing in your current positions. Since we are doing a complete study, we are keeping track of all the legs that we have done, right? That is why we are seeing endless list of strikes showing here. But then in real time, hardly there will be some 15 legs open. Right now, there are close to 30 legs open, right? And of which, let me sort it out. You can see all these are closed. The red ones are all like closed. These are weekly edges, nothing much. Just the weekly edges of price 4 rupees to 10 rupees, around that we have taken at different times, and then it got expired. That's all. So we don't have to worry much about this. One thing that you got to really focus on is that this is the leg that I closed. Something we wrote at 230 rupees was trading at 51 rupees. So that one is pointless to hold, and I freed up that cash by closing this. And freshly, what I have done was to add the strike to of 252 rupees. One lot I have returned. See, two lots we closed, but only one lot I have returned. And since the 27th expiry, there was a lot of legs that got closed. I added some 8 rupee value uh, call options and put options that I added. Another part I also have to mention here is I took 24,500 call options, though it is not trading at 8 rupees. It was trading at close to 20 rupees. I still had to buy it because my break even was around 24,500. And if the market goes beyond that, I will be losing big time. So that's the major things that I have done. Other than that, nothing much I have done. Uh, if you look at the payoff, it won't make much sense because this is weekly edges all like combined. It will just throw the graph off. Let's look into the real-time position with base strategy. The base strategy uh, payoff would be more appropriate to look at. If you look at it, the payoff looks like this. It is skewed towards the right. The Batman is completely like beaten off. The reason is we have closed that leg of 23. Where is that? Yeah, this leg. 22 650 leg we have closed, and we have taken 23 850 leg. That's why it is skewed so much to the right. But even if you look at it, if it comes to 23 300, what is that, potential profit that we have? 21,000 rupees. That is the kind of, adjustments that we have done. Now this looks too much skewed, and should I be making any adjustments for today? I can do that, provided you are understanding what I have done so far. I want you to get into the comfort of knowing what we have done on Friday. If that is fine with you, then let's continue. Here, one of the things that we have to do is we have to take a stock of how much of put writing is there, how much of call writing is there, right? At this juncture, if you look at it, the number of call writings are here two lots, 3, 4, 5, 5,800 is showing, right? 5 lots. Yeah, 5 lots of call writing we have done. And how many lots of put writing? This one is closed, so we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of put writing we have done. So 5 lots of call writing and 7 lots of put writing, right? Now what we have to ensure is we should have edges at least for 5 lots of calls and at least for 7 lots of puts. But given the way that the market is, moving, we should not mind in shelling out more on the edges. Probably we need only 5 call edges, but we can go ahead and take 10 edges on the call side. On the put side, we can also take, we need only 7, but we can go ahead and take, say, 7, 11 or 12 lots. It's not going to make much difference. Reason is it's all going to be trading around 8 rupees, 9 rupees like that. And as we are nearing, the premium crunch will be faster. And since we are going to see the follow up on a daily basis, you will see how why I am not very much concerned about losing on the edges, because I know for a fact once we are crossing no 10th of July, this position will be completely unbelievable because we are struggling to even have some sort of profitability at this point. But then as soon as we are hitting July 10th, you will see that suddenly everything is becoming profitable. But that is at this point it looks quite ambitious or wishful thinking, but from my experience I'm telling you that it is going to be really profitable. You will witness it by July 10th or that week, 10th to 13th. Let's see how the position turns out. Now what sort of adjustments I would like to do, that's one thing that I need to discuss right now. First of all, I wanted to ensure that the edges are equal or more in proportion. So let's go and check that out. I wanted to go to this edges leg and see how many legs we have as edges. So let's sort it by open and close. Right. Now, if you see how many edges we have on the call side, one, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is good. On the call side, we have 8 edges. This was also done on Friday. I did the recording, but unfortunately, this one is not available. As well as on the put side, we have 7 legs open in writing. How many legs we have in buying position as edges? Let's check that out. Here 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5, which means 9 legs we have. So 7 writings of put, we have 9 edges. 5 writings of call, we have 7 edges. So this is perfectly fine. We have more edges taken without any problem. We can go ahead. Now, what is the adjustments that I would like to do today? See, as we are doing this recording, July 1st, market is already closed. So let's assume that we have done the adjustment towards the end of the day, because I got to really make some adjustments for today. Before touching any of these legs, I wanted to clearly explain what we have done so far. So let's assume that we have entered for adjustments around 325 and then took something. Okay. Now, what is that kind of adjustments that I wanted? I'm going to explain you. Let's go to the base strategy. Analyze. Now, if you look at it, this particular leg, 850, is we wrote this at 222 rupees, right? 850. We wrote it at 222 rupees. Now, what is the price of this? Let's go and check that out. 850 is currently trading around 39 rupees, right? So this is the 25th. You see, it is trading at 39 rupees. Waiting for another 24 days to collect this doesn't make any sense. We are not going to make much. So what I am going to do is I am going to completely close this one, 850 leg around, let's say 40 rupees. I closed it. Okay. So I closed it at 40. Now this is how the payoff looks like. I wanted to further improve my profitability. as well as buy some more extension to this. What I would do is I'm going to add one more position. I closed where 40 rupees leg, right? Now I wanted to take some chance and then say 700 is at 150 rupees. This is looking reasonable, so I'm going to add one lot of it. Okay, now this is how the payoff looks like. Now if you look at it, what is this payoff looking like exactly? If you can think through and tell me what this payoff looks like. Take a moment and see what we have done. It has become short straddle of 23,800. If you look at this, this has become like a short straddle of short straddle, you know, right? It's like this. So it has become a short straddle of 23,850 rupees, which is very good because we started off with Batman and then we added certain edges and then it became strangle. And from strangle, we were slowly closing one edge, one leg of deep OTM of puts and then return a closer one. Again, we closed another one and then brought it to the closer one. Now it is becoming more like a short strangle. See? So this is how the position gets twisted and then shifted from one strategy to the other strategy. This is a very important learning. Absolutely, this is how big players manage. They start off with one strategy and then make some finer adjustments, and then as they are reaching towards the uh, expiry, they will bring it like something like a short straddle, because short straddles are absolutely different beast and it can be managed in so many different ways, right? So I don't mind this becoming a short straddle, because short straddles are absolutely lovely strategies, right? And in case if there is any sudden fall, what will you do? I will show you the adjustments for that as well. Now, one of the things that I wanted to make clear is, for today what we have done, we have closed another OTM 22,850, which was trading around 40 rupees. That is pointless to wait for another 24 days. So I close that and then return another strike of 23,700, which is around 150 rupees now. And this is how the payoff looks like. We are going to save this, right? Now, one other part I want you to focus is, where is our break even? Break even is about 23,000, yeah, almost 2350 or something around that. Okay, yeah, 2350. Let's keep it like that, 2350 on the downside, and on the upside 23,600. So you can also see that the market relentlessly is going up, and I cannot really keep on expecting the market to come down. I have to be very flexible. In next 10 days, what if the market goes towards 25k? Then we got a very serious adjustment. Now we are expecting that there will be some pullback, all these things, so we are holding it. But what if it is going to 25k, right? Then I cannot be really like doing extraordinary levels of adjustments. Yes, on paper you can go on doing it, assuming you have unlimited capital. But I should also be capital conscious, and how I will be doing in real time, I need to show that. That's the reason I am willing to convert this into a short straddle now, and extending the range on the higher side, because uh, I am really tired of waiting for the market to fall. Every time I'm expecting it to fall by 100 points, it is going up by 150 points. So I don't know, it may even hit 25k, right? So keeping that hypothetical condition also into consideration, I'm going to make these adjustments. Downside, if it comes, we will manage it, no problem. So this is all that we have done. I'm going to save this. Let's go back to the weekly adjust strategy now. And I'm going to show what we have done. I'm going to replicate the same thing over here. One one of the things that I did was to close this 850 leg. Where is that? 20, 22, 850. Let's just sort it. Okay. Yeah, this way, if you see. Yeah, 22, 850. This leg I closed at 40 rupees. Exited. So that was one. Next thing that I did was to add a fresh leg of, let's go here and get the option chain. 700 call put option around 150 rupees we wrote. Here this is, right? So this one lot I am going to add. So one lot closed, one lot added, nothing extra, right? But one of the best practices is we have closed something for 40 rupees. Additionally, we are gaining 150 rupees we have written. So 110 rupees we are gaining, correct? Since we are gaining 110 rupees, I am willing to sacrifice another 10 rupees. For me, Black Swan event is the top priority. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to weekly expiry and buy something of 10 rupees for any Black Swan. So this is 23,650 rupees. I'm going to buy this as an edge. Just not this. Oh, where is the 10 rupees? Okay, yeah, here. 23,550. This one I am going to buy as an edge. Okay. Now, I am willing to shell off 10 rupees on a weekly basis because I know that we have a lot of time and there are plenty of writings that can be done. For example, what I would do if there is any sort of sudden crash or something like that, we are anyway we are protected because we have more number of puts purchased than written. So the call premiums are already super high. If the market is crashing, we will end up making money. No doubts about that. So we don't have to worry about the charts, what it tells. Our only worry is that what if the market moves further higher without coming down. For those reasons, we are extending and taking some additional risk, converting it into a short straddle, right? So these are the things that we have done. Should we take additional edges on the upside? I don't think so. But yes, this is good enough. So that's the update. What I will be doing is for 2nd of July, I will try to make video in the live market itself so that you can see all the adjustments done. Only challenge is that I have a small baby. She is not letting me do the recordings at times, and then I have to wait for her to sleep. Many challenges are there. Plus, on personal front, there are few things going on. So kind of lost with that. Pardon me for this week. I was a bit daisy and preoccupied and was not able to give my 100%. But having said that, this series will continue with full Josh starting tomorrow, July 2nd. So stay tuned and let's wait for more updates. See you all with fresh updates for tomorrow.